Greetings, scholars. I want to take a few moments to talk to you about Chatgpt and using Chatgpt effectively to find information for your research paper. So, in the last module, you completed this handout. You chose a subject and you gave me reasons. I wanted you to give me as many reasons as you could think of to cancel your subject and also to consider the opposing views. What I want to do now is use ChatGPT to kind of help you refine the ideas in your paper and to see if it can help you come up with some ideas that you may not have thought of. So all of you should have a ChatGPT account, and I'm going to go to ChatGPT. And the one thing I want you to do, you may use ChatGPT to assist you with generating ideas or with brainstorming. What we don't want you to do is to use ChatGPT to write the paper because that is cheating. So I want to show you right now how I'm going to use ChatGPT just to give me some ideas about what I can put in my paper. So I know I want to cancel R. Kelly, and wording is going to be key when you ask ChatGPT to help you with your assignment. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a list. And remember, uh, asking it to generate a list is not the same as asking it to write your paper. So I want it to generate a list of reasons that R. Kelly should be canceled, right? So I'm just asking it for a list. I'm going to hit enter and going to hit here. And it's going to give me a list that I can use to assist me with coming up with ideas for canceling R. Kelly. So it's pretty quick. So it gave me a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ideas, right, that I can use to discuss in my paper. So if I compare this to what I put on my list of reasons, right, I can either add to this list now or I can take away from this list. But the one thing that I want to do, I want to make sure that I choose at least 3 reasons to cancel my subject, and I want to choose at least 2 reasons for the opposing view, which is what I'm about to do in just a second. So if I go back to my ChatGPT list, I'm going to look at this and I'm going to choose the top 3 reasons, right? Now, if I don't need this list, if I already know the reasons I want to use, then don't use it. By all means, don't use it. But if you're having a problem, if your ideas are overlapping, like the ones that I came up with, my ideas were really overlapping. All of these things, I said the same thing over and over again, right? So I can use ChatGPT to help me kind of refine what it is I'm talking about. And so I have 2 parts to the paper. So the second part of the paper is to get my opposing view. So again, I'm going to ask ChatGPT just to generate a list of reasons that, I don't know why I keep misspelling that R. Kelly should not be canceled. So if I'm doing this, and let's just say I'm taking I'm saying R. Kelly should not be canceled. That is going to be my position. I would still use these same reasons that ChatGPT is going to give me to discuss why he should not be canceled. And I'm gonna let it work. I think I'm gonna, yeah, I think, yep. I have to move that. And this computer is giving me fits now, but you get the point. So I already did this in another program, so I'm just going to go down here to the reasons that said why he should not be canceled. And I'm just going to pull up this list that I already generated. And so it gives me, again, 7 reasons that R. Kelly should not be canceled. Now, what I want to do with this, I want to pull this information and I want to use this information for my paper, but because this is my opposing view, I need to be very careful. I want to choose 2 reasons from this list that I can easily refute. Now, remember, part of what you're going to do for the paper is to refute the claims of your opponents. So don't choose opposing views that you cannot argue with. Out of the 7 reasons here, I am going to choose the 2 reasons that I can argue with, that I can show how my opponent's logic is flawed, how their arguments don't make sense. So I want to be careful here before I put this on my sheet. So that is my discussion for using ChatGPT. Use it wisely. Remember, ask it to generate a list of reasons that you can use. And remember, if you don't need it, if you've already come up with your reasons and they're good reasons that you have here, you don't need to use ChatGPT. Only use ChatGPT if you are struggling or if you realize that, hey, a lot of my reasons sound the same and I need to do something to differentiate my reasons. And that is when you want to use your ChatGPT. But remember, only ask it to generate a list of reasons and only use the headings for your topic sentences. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at philip.blackman@aamu.edu. I will see you in the next video.